is the Fiypo smartwatch, a watch that has been sent to me a while ago. Basically, message notification, heart rate, and the Bluetooth calling. Those are the three most important things for me. So we're gonna see if this actually works. First impressions, watch looks nice, and that's all we get, just this tiny manual and a charging cable. All right, this is a special cable that will be fit for the watch. All right, let's try turning it on. That was quick. Wait, is that it? Oh, okay, we're in. That was the quickest boot I've ever seen. All right, first impressions, the display isn't too bad at all. Oh, what has happened there? Open again. Okay. Wait, how do I get to the? That's the only button we have. How do I get to show the time again? Oh, here? Okay, there you go. Can I also change the face? Okay. All right, so it's actually a pretty comfortable fit. First thing we're gonna check is the heart rate sensor. So get tap here and measuring. Okay, right now it's measuring. Sorry for the awkward pose with my arm. It's kind of hard to show for the camera. All right, 88 BPM, 99 to 1. All right, so that seems to work. Wait, let's take it off and see how the sensor looks like. It says measuring. Okay, there you go. All right, looks legit. Pretty cool, actually. I got it to vibrate on my wrist. Wait, let's try that again. I don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds cheap, but it doesn't feel cheap when it's on your wrist. That's the best I can say. Now the next step would be pairing it to my phone, I guess. It shows up right away. Bluetooth pairing request allow. Anything on the watch? Oh, and just like that, we're paired. I'm gonna leave it off my wrist though, so it'll be easier to film. What was that? Oh, it disconnected. All right, let's try pairing it again. Settings. Wait, those are my settings? Are you serious? Oh, here you go. Oh, I still don't see how I'm supposed to pair it. I think you need an app. Yeah, let's try downloading the app then. Is this not on the App Store? Is this the APK? Oh, okay. Nope, it is on the Google Play Store. Just tap here. Nothing's happening. VFit. Let's just look for VFit. I think it's. Is it this? I think so. What is this? Equipment. Add watch. Oh, this thing is glitching my whole phone. And let's just give it the permissions it wants, because maybe that's what it needs. Physical activity, fine. Okay, there you go. Find a bracelet. Turn on Bluetooth. All right. Search failed. Okay, how do you pair this thing? Alright, it says in the instructions that I needed. Where did it go? It was here a second ago. It says I need to pair like FY16 plus audio, whatever it was. But now it's gone. Okay, I'm gonna unpair this and scan again. Let's just try pairing this again anyway. An app is needed to use this device. This is not what I'm trying to do right now. It's paired, but it's not. Oh, there it is. Woo! We did it. Now we can start the real testing. First, let's test calling. Nothing. Huh? Nothing on the watch itself. Couldn't pair. Oh my god. It says an app is needed, but I am using that app right now. Incoming call. Oh, get phone. Gotta give this all this permission. Okay, incoming call, notifications. No, not Bixby. Be fit, allow. I think it's only a notifications for certain apps. All right, now it should work. Now let's try this again. Still nothing on the watch. Okay, I think what I need to do is just go here. Permissions. Not allowed call logs. Okay, I think it needs that. And microphone. Camera, no. Okay, now it has all the permissions available except for camera, because I mean it doesn't have a camera. Now let's try again. There we go, now it works. But if Hebrew doesn't work very well because it's wrong orientation, but tap here or here. How do I accept the call? How do I accept? Oh no, how do I accept the call? What the heck? All right, let's see WhatsApp next. All right. Doesn't look the prettiest, but it works. Can you reply through that? Nope, you cannot reply, but at least the messages work. But if you're using any other language where you read from the other side, then it's not gonna show correctly. So I'm gonna try calling one more time, and then I'm gonna wrap this review up. I'd start sliding from all the directions. All right. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, don't press this button when you're getting a call, because that messes up everything. All right, here you go. Call. Come on. How do you accept the call? There's nothing about it in the manual as well. I don't know, man. Anyway, I think I'm gonna wrap this up. It seems like a pretty decent watch if you can get it for a good price. Couldn't get the calling to work, but I'm sure it works fine based off of other reviews that I've done. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.